IGC News. Mima Obibia Akwaba. Hadia later than news and qua every Prempeh. And so we now subscribe. Omodia say over subscribe to the channel. Yoga say over click a subscribe button. Now what barely a year notification. We understand you be uploading when the first person what's up a video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up, now feel share my offer for us. So now we'll be here now we'll and summer and coso. I feel your bura and summer abeto your so. A year lawyer attaching a name attaching some of Okaya was a John Dramani Mahama a drunkard indirectly, you know. Now we'll boy a year Bawumia Campaign of such as say Muhammad a way a drunkard in the Koya and celebrity. Nana year Hopeson Adorye reacted or the summer to Sasso and a year Nana Brefo. Also, and similar to their found in any for issue statement of us as 7 hour 1% a year lawyer attaching a patrol. I would also say a yadia of a patrol. Now, Hopeson a chair, the as sensible if you buy one the assembly door Nara and Abia. And Tentamara, you could see Hopeson Adorye, you are not free than I have before, and also the reaction or the 2 year for a year, Sammy a year, Kafa a year, NDC for one flag bearer a year, John Dramani Mahama. It is about post in you.
You can't say propaganda about Kubia. Ya ni ekreti MPP4 ya ni ekreti about John Mahama.
Okay,
I want to tell them say they should stop it. Then say Atta Kyea Réckless John Mahama a drunkard and then ye kaikam. John Mahama drunkard in no ye kukuye, and I put it out. I am saying it today, sir, it's a propaganda.
Now come home.
Me say me na me de beto abonten. Me na me de bet maybe ti we me no monza. Menumpa. Why now who me? Ewa bontin say my bonza to Togo from that. Why now who John Mahama say bonza to Togo from that?
Campaign.
It's a propaganda.
Juicy news on YouTube.
A propaganda. Me say me Hopeson me Adam de Toa bontin. Niye yes oh kita frax gra a whiskey no me na me de Toa a proper. We cooked it.
Dollar mass we too much.
We cooked it.
Feel fire no.
Na Aremeyaw airport John Mahama tukwa na bia na mehwe no wone ne wife tukwa omudru VIP
so now your boss
oh fortunately no kita ne frat but the boss wa lodina say Hopeson bra ano no abie wase memfa grass mra no hwie kakra gom eye ginger ne se orange bibisa no amese be se menum bi ginger and orange. As soon as you kita fraxa and your whiskey and what you gum and no monam at the year propaganda. It's a propaganda. John Mahama is not a drunkard. It's not. Mugabe me catch you say. We are simwa yeti. Say Opoku mwa. Uko according to Equal principles. Ufri mu na hu say principle na mediate no enye papa ese say wo sakra wadwe let the people know say what sakra
now come Ghana 40 be say Ghana di bia wo tie me obi aka che say John Mahama ye kowinse ni oboa mama akoto efi o Dubai akoto we wa ha
me say oboa
ni nyina na propaganda
that me pe video bi dia bananka mo ampo senka gremofo no monza ana me wa obi akromoni asengo no monza
dawe
na ka monhwe kromoni bi na monhwe ne nante na monhwe se nipa no nam ho na normal na so wabo
wo video no
do wo video that me hwehwa mfa me late nti
to the bebreme
the next time ameba wo dia me jakra met man sane e dia maw na bo ma man fo hwe yes obi ntimi nka say ye won sha ase no no wine afi dey atiasi whiskey what catch say nipa ni so ye drunkard what catch say nipa ni so ye drunkard ana
somehow hey
adia ya jina ya susu di hey on grove wey
hey Germany whiskey ni bojuma what
mon grove
yes what
o production ti o we too much
hey ya go back asuru wa of an idea
we too much mon grove too much you see
wow
you see
wow
that what you go kwejira here there you will lead our when you drunkard what do you mean What do you mean?
You are watching Juicy News.
What do you mean?
Production and there was some mayor you mean.
Hot news all the time.
So,
But I say on kasa keke.
na ada me bia na me kase me nitron to obiaso. Because I believe in one thing. Me baby I be free no. So just me am kasa. Ete hono wo kasa dia bisa se eye no kre. Se ye no kre na o kase enya no kra asembeto. Ete bi no me nitron to obiaso. What you say? But I am saying here today. Say, sir, say Mahama ye drunkard no. It was cooked.
Now one we say be so tafre tofe.
What say?
Set of any you say tofe. O dey every baby. We jama what tafre tofe.
I heard them boss.
Ojamo yi tofe no. Say you we tofe, say you dey you, say tofe be you obi anim. No dia sim. We are sepa. Ghana for ma to abapa. Hey, never again. Right? We just was the attention.
Ogabi.
Ba kokura force.
Where there? Where me boss into do there on there men comment what they there. Men comment what they there no. So
open video back on.
What say?
Open back on.
Je asem no kre na makato abonten. Asem no kre ana makato abonten. What you say? Political parties they say ye share obia prane ye say ni ye kai ka ho. But I want people to understand. Say, sadeno, it was just cooked. It was a propaganda. Just say, ye di 2 mois. I say Ghana for GD ya manu koko baby. Na wo hwe abrantie nantiana wo tutu se ne nai kwaku si amnamu. Se kwaku si hiu. Now they compare your Mahama. Why na ye drunkard? Why na ye drunkard? Besi Afriyie. 3 months ago ye nimu. Ye be konu boot for boot.
Se wa broni.
Oh, me say me hear something surprise. Nyabutre. Why? Would there be something surprise? Don't worry. So on that you know. Mogabi.
Baby happy.
Mogabi. Would there me say me hear something surprise? Don't worry. Yeah, me kajina ni say. O maya you look. Na no hin to kasembi. Wase sa o man ye koto aba. Na Ghana for eto aba. E de ma NPP a. Yes, enya de omu bebu Ghana for da. Te so omu nyina be free wiase.
Former
general secretary of NPP ene waka fa franto ho. Da na wo hinin to. What's your hu bi da? Se pa se ne ye komu. Wo ye Ghana ni kra na se NPP ni betre ni kra na wutie na wo pa tre say. Let them understand say what more bomb no. What more say what mine no. Straight away.
Hot news all time. You are watching
straight away.
News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Okay? Basic Roma say, nyina idea o. Nyina idea. But I say me catch up say, look, untimi you so state institution emfa hu na me. Me, untimi.
What's it theory?
Deep. I don't know. The besia ebe ma me o hinin to masa akọ MPP. Say me ko dom sa party no. I don't know yet. I don't know.
Aya na parties na here, especially when launch when campaigns akese.
When say e back, and Alan e back, and away back. Me o hinin to me catch you say, Alan Martin ye na dwen na achira so go back to him. Opa wako bi so no anka so waka achire. Alan is not going back to MPP. Period. They should get it.
Say
the besi nsi o person o so man Ghana for peneso nyame peso obeba. Wa ma and so what? The MPP for Ghana say Ghana for two Abama MPP will never respect Ghanaians again. If in this condition MPP can win an election, Ghanaians should forget it.
Hey, Nana,
I'm telling you my heart. Say baby a hochire ni ahoyehia, baby a corruption akoduro. If people of Ghana vote for MPP, I am telling you MPP people will never respect the people of Ghana again ever. MPP cannot and should not win this election. By hook or crook, there be. Na Ghana for muntie masem ni ye say Ghana for two Abama MPP win here. MPP people will never respect Ghanaians again. If in this condition they can win an election. E dey be na aka.
Asa mi kai na eda hoyi. So on ye no. Sa condition ya ye wo musabri. Na wo ye Ghana ni na wo ka so kwakoto aba man NPP a. Na edien bi chese na den ne how. Edien pa ene how. So on ye no. Because me imagine ajinsam bibia say develop. Every bi ana me ka sem bi. Hwe. Eya na say all parties no base. So on ye no. Now, Nietia NDC base aye constant no. NDC base no aye street grassroots. One with the no. NPP base aye middle class business community. So on the no. The business community and aye. Echi Sabiama essay na affect business community pe na NPP lose elections.
Say omukofi.
Mesi omukofi. Obia ni hono ma oye business person pa obeka se obeto aba ma NPP.
Asemben na yero Atta Kyea akoka ede oye ne anase ede nsem bebre aba. Ya ensemben ene wakan tibi.
Economics ya ne hojo onyansafo oba onyansafo awanom nsa. O mo ka so nyame ahira yo nyame ahira. Ana me ka kyerem se Ghana ya benya onyansafo awanom nsa. Mumpe we na mumpe so tro. Obi ka so nyame ahira yo.
You are watching
Juicy
News all time.
Nsi aye ka say hwan pa na enim nyansa wosanom nsa. Sambo Atta Kyea bi we yada.
Economics ya ne hojo onyansafo oba onyansafo awanom nsa. O mo ka so nyame ahira yo nyame ahira. Ana me ka kyerem se Ghana ya benya onyansafo awanom nsa. Mumpe we na mumpe so tro. Obi ka so nyame ahira yo.
Wo mo eto okura na obi ene ho sere ono nkwa na esiri o. Ono nkwa na esiri. Obi ene ho sere bi ebo ano. Ba ko na ja o sere kitu ebi. Oh de biti je sisi anu hwan enim nyansa na hwan na what the saying hwan enim nyansa na hwan no mansa fifi afigweti at the statement APM Monte so sanka sai what the statement APM Monte so sanka sai. Now the statement the Honorable Atta Kyea unsubstantiated and baseless attacks on His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The National Democratic Congress has taken note of the unfortunate and baseless remarks made by Honorable Samuel Atta Kyea, Member of Parliament for Boakye South constituency, during a mini rally held on 28 August 2024. Honorable Atta Kyea, in his address, made a reckless and unfounded allegation suggesting that the NDC's flag bearer, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, is a drunkard and an alcoholic. The NDC is appalled by this descent into the gutter by a senior member of the New Patriotic Party, who should know better. Such comments not only undermine the decency of political discourse, but also expose the desperation of the NPP in the face of an imminent electoral defeat. It is deeply regrettable that instead of focusing on issues that matter to the Ghanaian people, the NPP has resorted to personal attacks and character assassination. For the record, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is not a drunkard. He is a distinguished statesman whose commitment to the well-being and progress of Ghana is unquestionable. His track record is public service, and his enduring leadership qualities speaks for themselves. We demand an immediate retraction and apology from Honorable Atta Kyea for his unprovoked attack on the person of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Failure to do so will leave the NDC with no choice but to explore all available avenues to defend the integrity and reputation of our flag bearer. The NDC wishes to assure the good people of Ghana that we remain committed to a campaign of ideas and solutions. We call on all leadership of the NPP to rein in their members and focus on a clean and respectful campaign that addresses the concerns of the Ghanaian electorate. Signed, Honorable Fifi Fiavi Kweti, General Secretary, NDC.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
ba menim so afa ne say kutia enim ne ho dia me Atta Kyea am a response on the apology
said, and it's captured on video. In the video, the greatest of respect, I never said John Dramani Mahama is drunkard. Where is he gleaning that meaning from the context of what I said? I don't get it. It's all illogical. I thought he has backed off his propaganda posture. And when we clashed at his appointment, at the appointment committee, when they wanted to make him a minister, and then he had to buckle on material facts because they were not the truth. And he is now elevated to the high office of General Secretary of an alternative party like the NDC. I mean, some of these things should not be part of his, doing. It's very unfortunate.
So you're disputing the claim that you even made that statement in the first place, hence you would not apologize?
The statement is video. It's not opaque. And please, if people want to pay regard to what I say, they can listen to it. And in it, there are several individuals who want to be president of Ghana. Why should Honorable Fifi Kote single out President Mahama as the one that I'm alluding to? It doesn't accord with common sense. And I keep saying that sometimes people would want to see the whole, story. If you see the whole story, what was I talking about? I was saying that we are very blessed to have a very cultured man as an economist. And Ghana has never had an economist as president. What is the bonus is that the man is very disciplined and he doesn't drink any alcohol. And I wouldn't retract from that. These are facts. It's Vice President Mahama, Vice President Alhaji Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia not an economist. Would you say that is false? And it's on record and it's known that he doesn't drink any alcohol. So which
Joy News for NAS interview no. And the Honorable Atta Kyea why na no san. Why na Sadriam no. Asamo kind de wa modi. He didn't mention anybody's name. And the enes na ni se obi sojema no ho sa na so obi kase eyo simesia na obenten. Ba ya Ghana ha ye nyina nim ensemo enkrofo ka won chen to de bia. Now behu na former president ekra bottle. Ya na ensio and I cannot tell what is in it, honestly. But Kwaku Kasa, I be no patra say a binum kasa wetre, but it's not out there an official be anyone than an abetumbi. And I could understand how and why Fifi Avikwete probably would write a statement like that, because we should not and continue to make statements like that. And the campaign, no, one first asem na mesha then beba. Yes, your candidate you describe as decent.
Which candidate?
Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia as decent. You describe the person as somebody who doesn't take alcohol. I mean, that description of him not taking alcohol, it's obvious. Muslims are not supposed to take alcohol anyway. But they are not supposed to.
But I'm Muslim, yeah.
Muslims are not supposed to. I use that word.
Yes, but
and whoever decides to take alcohol as a Muslim does that discreetly on Gyamfi, because they are not supposed. And alcohol is not a crime. Being a drunkard is a different conversation. Sadriam, you're different. But so no man sanya from minim Christophers who are not supposed to. But any Bible say okwasia. And one no sadending.
Kakoteshi bakoneka ho.
Okwasia ne no sadending.
And ba kono so.
Ba koso say ye Afriyie enti.
Fantastic. Banana
Drunkers Association line.
Me momu de. Yes, separate common sense from politics. Drunkard.
Ya wan kasentwie.
Yes, but yes, separate common sense. Yes, separate common sense from politics.
But ya wan he didn't mention anybody's name.
No, but
that one is a fact.
Oh.
One modi.
Anyway, so
because to me, I don't see why Fifi Avikwete should even write a statement.
You see why John Dumelo
General Secretary shouldn't have written.
But only why John Dumelo also apologized the other day.
Only they are not direct.
You see,
John Dumelo's own was direct. The person was seated there.
Some of these things
there were people
who
were
come up
talking
in the first place,
and he said so. And he felt At that time,
yes.
They were talking about Mamino Seiram. In fact, he was talking about Seiram. We were all aware.
Well, what was it? An experienced politician like
especially when you know you don't have any basis. A big common be where if it's common.
Metiasie, and I make yes, common sense from politics.
And if it's common be where I can say, be to me share, president be to me share, no Afriyie, and if it's common. President be to epet ma, be say, be a common.
Video be clear about, yeah, who say almost say, president be to sorry them that all
order.
Or no, and the beautiful grata frito.
And the video
so you can just
baby I will say his excellency or call actually them.
But yes, separating these things from politics because it doesn't add up.
It wouldn't add anything. I mean, saying somebody is not a drunkard, there's nothing wrong, but it's not a
yeah, you gonna
if you didn't add it, it wouldn't have changed anything.
Nana, you gonna afford 10. It's still no more. Emu 8 and no more.
And Sadriam is different.
Yes.
Being a drunkard is
no, that's what I'm talking about. But emu 8 and no more.
There be 8 in the way she swank. Because a man do one no more.
Nansa bebrebe where
a man do one is overblown.
Wouldn't the man be?
Not men cast it.
Make us will be a missing 2%.
The way you said 8, now I said
yes, 8 out of 10. Share. Wouldn't you go for your closet?
People do it. I mean, I know most.
You have no idea about what people do in their closet.
Alcohol and put it in the butter. I know some. I know Pentecost for Wamode Guinness Edugu Mot.
Marco NPP officer, or could be in the fridge, some castle zone, Kwasana, and some.
I some
never swear. I was way or yada.
Why have a cassette, Yami, Trash? Obeka said, Yami, Trash.
Oh, no,
me. Oh, me, I'm not Mina natural. Omami Bailey Samenum. Ice go home. Kofiam Pedua by Compessa, but Umami Amenum. O mama wine so ene ba ko biaba me bia chef fridge make us say
ene e kan asa
kama pa wine na achi
ade ne de odi bia na
ene emenom ba me nyansa bia
ade wo kwakara
ena me nom sa de bia
oh massa
once in a while me nyansa dram me da say
yo we for we ni en somewhere Hopeson Adorye editu Gyamfi en somewhere kanti ye John Dramani Mahama say we ye en sabia te say we ye drunkard akoye nsem bebre sa so ena ye Nana Brefo so de ensem atuga afa ho because GCD so and our so we can subscribe here. One more say we can subscribe to channel is and say happy latest and hot news in kwa and I'm the Bremo so betini a share what we fire and some way now I will comment box no Mobeti Minkabu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.